Good day, everyone. By the way, my name is Ken J. Kiman. I am a student from BS Info 1C. And today our topic is mathematics in modern world. For you, what is mathematics? I have my own opinion. Mathematics is a critical tool in modern world. I'll let my associate Silean to explain more info for you.
It helps us understand the world around us and make decisions based on data. In the past, mathematics was used primarily for practical purposes.
Modern mathematics approaches things differently. It primarily studies structures whose interactions have certain patterns.
What is the importance of codes in mathematics? Coding can help students learn math by providing a hands on, interactive way to understand mathematical concepts. By writing code, students can experiment with different mathematical principles and see how they work in action.
And now, I am going to introduce you the codes. Codes were already around since Codes were already around since ancient times. A code is a symbolic way to represent an information. In qualitative inquiry, a code is most often a word or short phrase symbolically assigns a summative, salient, essence language based, or visual data.
Code is a system of rules to convert information such as a letter, word, sound, image, or gesture into another form, sometimes shortened or secret, for communication through a communication channel or storage in a storage medium. An early example is an invention of language, which enabled a person through speech to communicate what he thought, saw, heard, or felt to others.
It is a backbone and a foundation that runs through every algorithm, sequence, and software mockup that programmers write every day.
Check digits. A check digit, also known as a checksum character, is a number located on the far right side of a barcode. The purpose of a check digit is to verify that the information on the barcode has been entered correctly. The barcode reader's decoder calculates the checksum by performing a series of mathematical operations on the digits that precede the check digit and comparing the result of the calculation to the value of the check digit. Typically, if the check digit matches the result of the calculation, the reader emits a signal, such as a beep, to acknowledge the result match and the scan has been successful.
So I'll be introducing you the barcode. A barcode is a set of vertical bars, long and short, and spaces which provide an indispensable tool for tracking a variety of data from pricing to inventory. Barcoding is an efficient way of translating data instantaneously and accurately. It is used for automated data collection. It eliminates the occurrence of human error since through the use of bar scanner. Transmitting data is much more faster, more reliable, and takes lesser time than entering them manually.
Postcode X. This is the simplest barcode by the US Postal Service, which is commonly seen in business reply envelopes. A postal code, also known locally in various English speaking countries throughout the world as postcode, SPIN, or zip code, is a series of letters or digits or both, sometimes including spaces, punctuation included in a postal address for the purpose of sorting mail.
Zip plus 4 code. It is a zip code of the US Postal Service which started in 1983. This contains 52 long and short vertical bars. The long bars at the beginning and the end of the zip plus 4 code serves as a guard bars of the remaining 50 bars. And the 50 bars are divided into blocks of 5, and each block contains two long bars and three short bars. Each block represents a single digit, and the 10th digit is used for error correction. Below is the pattern used for the barcodes.
Conclusion. Codes are a set of symbolic strings that join together, listed along with their assigned meanings. By encoding, they follow rules that it could be decoded to what it actually meant. They encrypt messages to replace, substitute a certain meaning. Still to note that codes differ to each other, as one can be far efficient to use than the other or can only be applied to a certain task. In mathematics, codes and ciphers are made also to ease the complexity of its language that in favor to us for ease to digest. In technology, codes play a huge part to its advancement as it makes tasks far easier and brief to assign in machines.
Today, most codes are created to store data efficiently as possible to a smaller space. Such could apply to tasks that can be automated, such as barcodes, to in-store products to store their information. Links that are sometimes gibberish to serve as an alternative names, QR codes to store information in a little box, binary that is used to perform complex logic sequences. Even sign language or signs can be technically considered as code to serve them easier visual aid to inform. Codes in general made life easier, as even an old concept is still used our further advancement till today. Thank you for watching, and that is our presentation.